Got a Lake Okeechobee. SMW.
Pokey to Lake Harbor, moving west at 5 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Canal Point, Clewiston, Parkey, Sandcut, and Lake Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter. Now for the... The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Seminole County in east central Florida, northwestern Brevard County in east central Florida, east central Orange County in east central Florida, southeastern Volusia County in east central Florida, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bethel and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oviedo, Winter Springs, Geneva, Bethel, and Juliota. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Excessive cloud-to-ground lightning is also occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, lightning can strike beyond 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Flood advisory for the following. Flash flood warning for the following counties in Florida, Brevard, and Orange. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a flash flood warning.
Was not expecting that from Melbourne. While I'm eating. Stream precipitation. Oh, well, that makes sense actually.
Additional rainfall amounts of 1.5 to 5.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Titusville, Wedgefield, Christmas, Mims, Bethel, Lagrange, and Turnbull. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida, Brevard, and Orange.
Alright. Good to go. Oh shit. Here we go again.
The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Brevard County in east central Florida until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Merritt Island Wildlife Refuge or near Playlenda Beach, moving east at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Playlenda Beach, Haulover Canal, Merritt Island Wildlife Refuge, and Klondike Beach. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is also occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, Lightning can strike beyond 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.